Local news for Monday the 15th of October. The decision to appoint a single chief executive to lead two Wellington Region District Health Boards is a mistake, says Angela Balich, Deputy Executive Director of the Association of Salaried Medical Specialists. Balich was commenting on the announcement that a single chief executive would be recruited to run both the Capital and Coast DHB and Hutt Valley DHB. The New Zealand Extra Virgin Olive Oil Awards were announced Saturday night in Masterton, with Wairarapa picking up a swag of awards. Lupine Olives took out the 2018 Best in Show, as well as the Best in Class in the Commercial Medium Single Varietal Class and Reserve Best in Show. Juno Olives and the Olive Press also picked up awards, with 46 medals in total going to Wairarapa. And in sport, despite losing 24-0 on Saturday to North Otago, the Ferries Wairarapa Bush will host the Lahore Cup semi-final this Saturday and again face North Otago. Basic errors and a high penalty count cost the Bush on Saturday, with improvement needed if they are to win this weekend.